Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to score on Vita Mahjong mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, tap the paintbrush icon at the top and pick any layout or puzzle you want to play and tap confirm. Your score will depend on how quickly and efficiently you clear the tiles. Tap level 2 or start to start your game. You can earn points by matching two identical tiles that are free to move. The faster you make matches, the more points you will get. Finishing the puzzle quickly boosts your final score. Many matches in a row without pausing will give you a combo bonus. Some special tiles like seasonal or unique design might give extra point when matched. If the level is timed, your remaining time get converted into extra points. So try to finish as early as possible to get a higher score. And that's it. Now you know how to score on Vita Mahjong mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.